Hello, I'm Neil Screeton, owner of Screeton's Limited Chartered Accountants. The idea of parents and grandparents gifting property to their children is becoming increasingly common, and there are a few scenarios where you have to be careful of the capital gains tax implications. So I'm going to talk a little bit about three scenarios today which a lot of people do sort of fall into. First scenario is where a parent or grandparent gifts their main residence to their children or indeed any other relative. Now, because this is their main residence, there is no capital gains tax because the transaction is subject to principal private residence relief. Now, note that even if the parent buys a second property whilst before they've given away the first one, then it's still exempt from capital gains tax so long as the first property is given away within 18 months of buying the second one. Second scenario where capital gains tax does apply is if the parent gives away a property that they have been letting out, which is not their main residence. In this case, capital gains tax is calculated by taking the market value of the property, deducting the original cost, and that gives you your capital gains tax liability. Now, some people ask me, what about if the child pays the parent for the property? The answer to that is, if the child makes any consideration for the property which is below the market value, then the market value is substituted in the capital gains tax calculation, i.e. the calculation becomes market value of the property less the original cost. That gives you the capital gains tax payable. Something to note is that capital gains tax, the liability always falls on the person giving or selling the property, not the person who is receiving it. That's not to say that the person receiving the property can't pay the capital gains tax sort of on behalf of the donor, basically. There's another aspect to this, which is inheritance tax, which I will address in a future video. But if you have any issues or questions on this situation, then please get in touch with us. 01827 715 264. We're at info@screetons.co.uk, or visit the website www.screetons.co.uk. Thank you.